And I'm sure you can relate to this, but what if we could make reading or working out or working on a business project or studying for school as fun as scrolling on TikTok or watching YouTube videos? And I've figured out that we actually can. The habit loop was discovered and created by some guy way smarter than me who figured out how we can actually make this a reality. How you and I can actually program our brain into making things we find hard today, such as working out, reading, studying, or working, seamless and easy. Here's the habit loop explained in under 30 seconds. There are 3 steps we have to go through if we want to create a habit. Here's those 3 steps explained with the habit of smoking. Step number 1, the trigger. The trigger for someone who wants to quit smoking is the smell of cigarette smoke. Step number 2, the action, is doing the activity itself. So in this example, it is the smoking the cigarette, right? It's actually inhaling the smoke. Step number 3, the reward. To make the user repeatedly smoke, he gets a reward for smoking. This is the kick you get from the nicotine. The nicotine kick makes the smoker feel good, which serves as a reward for the smoker. These are the 3 steps in the habit loop, and I just explained how humans get addicted to smoking. Now we understand why smoking is so addictive. That's not really hard to understand, but how do we make going to the gym, studying or reading or working as addicting as smoking, or similar to that sort? Well, we'll use exactly the same principle, the habit loop. Here's how to make working out easy using the habit loop. First, find a strong cue that triggers you into working out. A strong trigger is your alarm in the morning. Right when the alarm rings in the morning, you go and do your 30 push-ups or you go to the gym. Each time we do our workout right after the alarm rings, our brain will link the sound of the alarm with the activity of working out. Step number 2 is the behavior we want to start doing. So in this example, we have already chosen what behavior we want to create, which is working out. Step number 3, the reward. After you've done your 30 push-ups or however your workout plan looks like, it doesn't really matter. The last step is to reward yourself for working out. Remember how the smoker got rewarded through a nicotine kick that made him feel good? Yeah, now you have to reward yourself for working out. For example, you don't get to drink your morning coffee until you've done your morning workout. So first we do this thing first in the morning and we have the alarm as our trigger, right? And then right after you've done your workout, you reward yourself with a warm cup of coffee. Your brain will associate the coffee pleasure with your workout, which will reinforce your behavior because there's a direct reward for doing your workout. Exactly as the smoker gets rewarded through the nicotine, you get rewarded with a cup of coffee. If you don't drink coffee, use watching YouTube or Netflix as a reward for working out. Both things works great as a reward. It takes around 21 days to form a new habit. So after you've done this daily for 21 days, you'll transfer something that feels hard today into something that will feel as easy as brushing your teeth. So now we've done it. We've taken something that we find hard today to do, working out, and taken it and we've made it easy in just 21 days. Now you know exactly how you can start making working out easy for yourself. So there's no excuses for you right now to sit in your bed not doing anything because you have all the knowledge. Just take the action. And I don't want to hear you say, no, I start tomorrow or I start in a week from now. Shut the fuck up. You start today. You have all the knowledge. Don't be lazy. This is what you want. So do this for your future self. Don't be lazy. Just start. I'm out.